So this is the mid-chapter checkpoint. So that means we are in the middle of a chapter. We've done part of chapter 1. Now we have this page to do, and then we're going to finish the chapter, and then you guys have a chapter test, okay? So there's 1 page of a mid-chapter checkpoint, and then there's 2 pages of the homework from the lesson from yesterday. So yesterday's lesson was 1.4, but I didn't have you guys turn in the homework. So you guys should have turned in homework for 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. I should have gotten 3 homework pages back. And real quick, let me show you on the schedule so that you guys can see exactly what I mean. I looked through some of your packets and saw that you did bring it back, and that is awesome. If you look right here on my screen, it says for Monday, page 17 and 18, rip out and return Thursday. Page 23, 24, rip out and return Thursday. And 29 and 30, rip out and return Thursday. Didn't have you rip out anything for yesterday. But today we are doing the mid-chapter checkpoint and the homework from yesterday's lesson. The mid-chapter checkpoint you do not have to return. However, I do want the homework we do together to return next packet pickup. Okay? So we're doing 3 pages today. That last page is double-sided, and it's page 35 and 36, and we will have that come back to the school, so I can give you some points for it. All right?
Twins?
Yes.
What kind of page is that one?
3, 4. Look on the bottom of your page in your book. This is your Go Math book. Do you see your Go Math book?
I have it, but I'm trying to look for the page.
Okay. Is your mom right there by you, or maybe Jose to help you? It's going to say 3, 4 at the bottom. 34. Whenever you find it, Cruz, let me know. We're going to be drawing to show our equation, and then we need to solve it. So we're going to circle important information. 3 bugs and 4 more bugs. So the first thing that we want to circle is, the 3. So we're going to draw 3 bugs. 1, 2, 3. Now, I need to use a symbol right here. Deleza, what's that symbol I put right here? Nicholas, can you tell me the symbol that we put here? Plus. 4 more bugs. So we need to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you know the answer to 3 plus 4, I want you to raise your hand. 3 plus 4. I'm going to put all hands down, and then I'm going to check my screen. Okay. Petra, can you tell me the answer to 3 plus 4? 7. Nice job. Watch what I do. Scoop up 3. Keep counting on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to put a 7 here. Great job, Petra. All right, Mason. 4 seals and 2 more seals. What's the first number we're going to draw? 4. So circle the 4. Draw 4 seals. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a plus. Paulina, how many more do I draw? Cruz, let's help out Paulina. How many more do I draw? Oh, there's Paulina. Good job. 2. 1, 2. Cruz, I'm going to let you answer. 4 plus 2, how many altogether?
Already 6 because I already tried it.
So smart. Nice job. Scoop up those 4. 4, 5, 6. Good job. We're going to go down here to this next part. Ooh, I see spots here for some symbols. Remember, if there's those circles here, we put the symbols there. Use counters to solve. We're just going to draw the picture. Write the number, sentence, and how many. I'm going to read the problem, and as I read it, we need to circle important information. If you would like to use crayons right now, you may. We're going to need a red crayon and a blue crayon. So if you want to use crayons with me, that is okay. I'm going to count to 10, and I want you guys to be back at your seat with your crayons if you choose to use crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, circle important information with me. There are 5 red marbles. Oh, I see a 5. And 4 blue marbles. I see a 4. How many marbles are there? What is the first one we need to draw? Page. What's the first one we need to draw?
5.
5, and it's 5 red marbles. So we're going to draw 5 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, Paige. Daleza, what is my next number I need to draw?
Yeah.
How many blue am I going to draw?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them all together. Oh, I forgot my plus sign right here in the middle. Oop. Count them all together, and I would like you to raise your hand to tell me how many are all together, and then we will write the equation. Mason, do you know how many are all together? How many? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is correct. So now we need to take our numbers from our story problem and write out the equation. So Nicholas, what's my first number I need to write?
5.
5. What symbol do I need now? Plus. Remember, plus looks like this. Plus. Cadence, what number comes next? 4. And then what symbol do I need? Equals, and we know what it equals because we solved it over here. Equals 9. Check your work, make sure your paper looks like mine. Now, down here is that mystery problem. This will not be on your test. So what are we going to do? Cross it out. This mid-chapter checkpoint, you do not need to return to the school. This is for you to keep so that you can use it as review when you get ready for your test. The next 2 pages are the homework from yesterday. It's lesson 1.4. In your book, it should be the next page. If I remember right, this was page 34. Yep, now we're on page 35. So all you're going to do is just go to that next page. Look for the page that says 35. This page, return to school at the next packet pickup, okay? This is your homework from yesterday's lesson. Remember, if it has these mystery parts, we are not going to do those quite yet, okay? So this top one here, cross it out. This one has both pieces, so I do want us to do that, because on your test you will have one that looks like this. It will not look like this one. Okay, so we skipped number 1. We are going to do number 2 and number 3. Okay. Ooh, we have some important information to circle. My helper is Paulina. Paulina, I'm going to read this problem and we're going to circle important information. They spelled out this number. 5 birds are flying in a group. So we're going to put a 5 right above the word 5, okay? 5 birds are flying in a group. 4 more birds join the group. How many birds are in the group now? Paulina, I have a 5, and what's my other important information I need to circle? The 4. Good job, Paulina. So how many am I going to draw first, Paulina? 5. This is our bar model. Remember we talked about bar models yesterday? There's 5 here. So we can draw our 5 circles to help us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, Mason, how many more do I draw? 4 more. 1, 2, wow. 3, 4. Adrian, how many are all together?
Nine.
Good job, Adrian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure that you fill in the equation here with a 9, and that you also fill it in up here on this blue line. This is showing that this piece here is 5. This piece here is 4. But all together, the 5 and the 4 together, we have 9. Okay? We're going to do the same exact thing on this next problem. So I'm going to call on somebody to help me out. All right, Petra. I'm going to read the problem. I want you to tell me the 2 numbers we need to circle. 6 cats are walking. 1 more cat walks with them. How many cats are walking now? What do I need to circle?
A 6 and a 1.
Nice job. 6 and a 1. We know exactly what we need to draw here now. Which one am I going to draw first, Petra, the 6 or the 1? Which one's first, the 6 or the 1? Cruz, what are we going to draw first?
I don't really know.
So I have 6 cats walking, and then one more joins them. So I'm going to draw 6.
I already drawn it and it's already 7.
Ooh, nice job. So I'm going to draw my 6. Plus my one more. And then Cruz, you said that you counted 7 altogether. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice job, Cruz. 7 altogether. So this piece right here of my bar model is 6. Plus one more is 7. Go ahead and check your screen. If you are all ready, I want you to put your hand up. If you are not ready, make sure that hand goes back down. I want to make sure everyone's ready. Make sure the raise hand button is turned on. All right. Number 4, I won't ask you guys to write me anything during a math test, so we are not going to do this one. This will not be on your test. Remember, some of the problems we skipped because they are meant to be problems that we would do more in person when we have more time during class. But with the way that school is right now, we just don't have all the time to cover all of these problems. And we are practicing writing right now in writing class, so I'm not asking you to do the writing right here for math, okay? We will still cover everything for the test, but some of these problems that are a little bit more tricky, we just don't have all of the time right now to cover them. We don't have any mysteries here, so we can solve this one. If one of these were blank, then I would say we would skip it for now. Here we go. 3 ducks are in the pond. This is the other side of your homework page. 3 ducks are in the pond. That's why we have a 3. Let's circle the 3. 6 more ducks join them. Here's the 6. I'm going to circle the 6. How many ducks are in the pond now? I think that we could solve this one without drawing our picture. If you think you can do it without drawing your circles and you can just use this bar model, I want you to try that. If it's still too tricky, you can still draw your circles here, or you can even draw your circles up here, like this. 1, 2, 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. You can still draw them like that. That is really helpful when you are doing bar models. Cadence, do you know how many are all together? 3 plus 6? Nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 all together. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Do you guys see that I always put the same number here? Ooh, spiral review. Review means we've already done it, so this should be easy peasy. We have a number sentence to fill in. Do you guys have the symbols already filled in on your paper, or are they blank? They're filled in? Okay. There are 4 green grapes. Ooh, so if you want to get a green crayon ready, that'll be cool. 4 green grapes and 4 red grapes. how many grapes are there? So let's draw our 4 green grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our 4 red grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deleza, how many grapes are there altogether? She says 8. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice job. 8 grapes altogether. Nicholas, can you tell me the whole equation here? Nice job. 4, that's from the green ones, plus 4, that's from the red ones, equals 8. And that is our total altogether. All right, give you a couple of seconds to make sure you have this in your book. All right, I think we have 2 more problems left. 2 more. Here we go. Draw the cubes, write the sum. So remember, you can draw cubes or you can draw circles, whatever you need to help you solve this problem. 7 bugs and 3 more bugs. So we're going to draw the 7 and then a plus sign and then the 3 more. Let's draw them. Here we go. 7 bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 3 more. Plus 1, 2, 3. Elijah, do you know 7 plus 3? Oh, I don't see Elijah on anymore. Cruz, can you tell me 7 plus 3? 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together we have 10. Draw the cubes. Write the sum. 6 ants and 2 more ants. We'll draw our picture starting with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, Mason, how many more do I need to draw?
2.
2 more. 1, 2. Go ahead and count. I would like everyone to turn their video on and hold up how many fingers for this problem. Oh, nice. I see some really good answers. Good job. On the count of 3, you may unmute and tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3.
7 plus 7 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 7.
Okay, I heard some 7s and some 8s. So we're doing 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you said 8, you got that one right. We're going to put an 8 right here. Good job. Okay, before we go, remember this first page we did, the mid-chapter checkpoint, you do not need to turn it in. The homework page that's front and back, you need to return to school. So that's this page and this page that we just did, 35 and 36. Bring back in your next packet. We are all done with classes today, and we are all done for the week. So next Monday, when you guys come back to school, you will be with Señorita Garcia, and it will be in Spanish. You will be doing the next part of this book, but you will be doing it in Spanish, okay? Yes. It is your last Zoom. Paulina, were you able to come get your packet?